Using a USB cable to charge your phone can sometimes feel fiddly and annoying, but with QI charging it becomes really easy, and you'll appreciate the increased longevity you'll get from having a static charger pad instead of pulling cables in and out every day. Yes, I know, first world problems, but with that said, let's get to unboxing and reviewing the Samsung wireless charger pad. So right off the bat, I can see this device supports fast wireless charging. It's also compatible with all QI certified devices, and you can charge your phone in different orientations. Until I get one of those box opening knives, I'll open this up with my trusty scissors. Opening the lid of the box, you're first presented with a charging stand, so let's get that out of the box. It feels nice and smooth to the touch, but doesn't feel very premium considering the premium price that you pay for this. Also note that the stand doesn't fold down, so that's that. Let's see what else is in the box. You also have this very thick quick start guide, which I'm not going to read, and that's it. There's no plugs or USB cables in the box. This means you'll have to use the charger that came with your Samsung Galaxy phone. And if you plan to use this somewhere away from home, like the office, you'll have to fork out for an additional plug. Bear in mind that this device requires a USB-C cable, and the plug has to support fast charging too. I'm guessing the main question you guys have is, how long does this device take to charge a phone? The Note 8 has a 3300 mAh battery, and that normally takes about an hour and a half to fully charge using the charging cable itself. Now this phone is completely dead and turned off. The time is 11:44 now, so let's see how long it takes to get to 100%. Of course I'll speed up this video at certain points, as watching it charge will be just as fun as watching paint dry. 13 minutes later on the watch, you can see the device has now charged to 15%, so that's slightly over 1% per minute at the moment. It has now been exactly 1 hour and the phone is now at 48%. Earlier I said it normally takes an hour and a half to charge the phone using the cable. Well, now we're well past that time, as it has been 2 hours and 15 minutes since placing this phone on charge, and finally it's at 100%. So it's clearly not as fast as charging with a cable, but if you weigh in the convenience, like not having to look for the USB port on your phone at night, it makes it all worth it. Of course you won't be able to charge and use the device in bed at the same time, so that's a downside there, but I definitely find it convenient in the office. Just, placing the phone on the stand and that's it. You don't have to worry about anything else, and it'll just start charging. The ability to fold down the previous iteration made it more portable and easier to transport. However, that isn't something you can do with this one. Another downside, as mentioned earlier, is it doesn't come with a power plug, so you'll need to use your own. The charger design looks sleek, which is something I must admit. The matte and gloss finish makes it look stealthy and stylish. That should complement your phone really well. This charging stand can charge a lot of devices and not just Samsung devices, so for instance placing an iPhone X on the pad is no problem at all, it will charge that too. The charging pad also features a non-stick base, so it will secure your phone while charging and the stand won't easily slide off. There's also a discrete LED charging indicator notifying you the device is charging. It also appears to have a cooling fan or some sort of ventilation to dissipate the heat produced while charging. So overall, in my opinion, I think you should save yourself a few quid by purchasing something that's a bit cheaper. There are plenty of other options out there, but if money isn't an option, by all means, it's a pretty nice device. This has been Raju from Tectonic. If this video was useful and it helped you, please like, share and subscribe. That would really help me out and I would appreciate it a lot. So thank you and see you guys again soon.